Watch the light. Chino.
Don't flip it, please. I won't hit that break that much. Dang, I wish I caught that. I'm tripping, bro.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy.
Yo, my brothers, I'm out here. Berto! Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, bro. We finna tear it down today, huh? Got that good groceries over there? Yes, sir. What's up, family? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
So what's up?
What's up? We got the limitless out today, huh? Tighten up.
If I get some battery.
Uh-oh. What's up, nephew? I see you got the rustler, huh? Let's get it, baby. What's up? You chilling? Like your haircut? You looking cool, man. Yeah, like me. Yeah, you looking cool. You see you drive it. Drive it up there and drive it back.
True Boys RC. TRUBOYZ RC.
Yes, sir. That's me. And Coach DRC. Good job, nephew. Good job, man. Nice, nice, nice. Get it, baby. Let's get it.
Ronnie, come here. Where's your car?
Yeah, everything. I like that. I like that. Corvette. Yes, sir. Corvette's on deck, fam.
All day.
We got Cody in the sun over there. What's up, big Brody? Hey, bro, look at Berto. Bro, look at Berto. Berto's shining on. Okay, tighten up, baby. Yes, sir.
Look.
Got the J's on.
What he says here? What he says here?
Team Deltona RC. Let's get it. Top Yes, sir. It almost looked like the 10, the newest one. They got the, that's the 7? 7 Yeah. Let's get it. That's tight.
Y'all need a drink?
What's going on, man? Dante. Mika. Nice to meet you.
Oh, shit, that bitch.
Got the limitless going down. You go. What's up, bro? You chilling?
We do a lot of work.
You gonna run it today?
No, I still mine. I still haven't ran it yet.
All right, bro. I'll see you in a little bit, bro.
I get mine done. I do some. I got my boy Reggie probably gonna bring his up here. Reggie gonna bring his
All right.
like mine.
Yeah, yeah.
What's wrong with his?
Nothing. I think he just putting it together. Well, Chris, them they coming?
Curtis should be here. I just came. I got a guy.
Came early.
What?
You came earlier.
No, I had to. Yeah, I last time I was working. This
Yeah.
time I'm not.
Yeah, he doing a thing a little bit. Yeah, he doing a thing. Yeah. I'm finna come back over there. I just gotta get this on the. Them 120 C's doing their thing. Oh yeah, you good. You good. I like that. What's up, bro? What's going on?
How are you,
We're
man?
chilling.
You're good.
I like that bitch, man. That is nice.
Thank you, man.
You pay that yourself?
Nah, I just bought it like that. If I tell you a price, you won't believe it.
I believe you 200.
60 bucks. Shit.
What? Where?
That guy.
Oh.
Shit.
Hey, man.
First one.
First one. Say what's up, baby? Tighten up. What's up, y'all? Let's get it. Y'all know we here. What's going on, fellas? I like that. I like that. I like that. What's up, Pop? How you doing?
Good.
You doing all right? Yes, sir. Another glorious day. We finna get it in. Love it. Ain't nothing like RCs, y'all, huh? Ooh, I like that. I like that body. Nice. GT body. What's up, baby?
How you
Just
doing?
chilling?
Yeah.
Yep, another blessed day, another blessed day. What? 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 Oh, how y'all doing over here?
Good.
All right. Did it scrape it up, bro?
I broke the parachute.
Oh my God. You didn't even see that the first time. Yeah, that's what happened with the 3D printed stuff.
Yep. At least it didn't spray.
Go ahead.
Oh no, it's all 6, 7. Break north.
Out of there. Let's get it right, bruh. Let's get him right. Got that cast going in. Yes, sir. Got Noble. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You ain't fucking off. Yeah, you ain't. Oh!
Watch your back, Blake.
Good Lord. Yes, sir. That's some bitch hitting, boy. Oh my God. On the wheel. Let's get it, baby. Huh? Tight up.
Armor, baby.
Yeah.
That's armor.
Armor for you. Let's get it. Yes, Lord.
You say you got that from who?
Smoke in the city, baby. Boy, it's smoke in the city with that song, bitch. Yes, sir. Another killer over here. OG. OG. Get down.
$60 on that ship. How much? Perfect.
60 bucks.
What? Yep.
Yes, man. I
Hell
need to be
yeah.
real about it like that.
I was gonna offer him
Right.
150,
for the
and he said
170.
60 sounds good. Oh, that sounds perfect.
I need one for the 1/7 scale for real. That paint is hitting on there, guys. I mean, hit. Oh, look at that splitter too. Splitter came on it too?
No, I just put it.
Oh yeah, that made it come correct there. Get down there. Yes, sir. No flipping.
No flipping,
No
please.
flipping. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Get down, boy.
I have to put a different setup on it. The motor messed up.
And the tire's better now.
Hey, happy birthday to my brother Mutt. Everybody tell my brother happy birthday, Mutt. Let's get it.
My birthday.
What's this? Yeah, Mutt birthday today.
Happy birthday, Mom.
We getting it in today. We cash days, drag racing. All right, money on the orange one. Money on the orange. Okay, let's get it. I know we tested, but TikTok want to see what y'all doing. Orange one for the win. Yes, sir. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready to go today. Yes, sir.
I'm not that ready, but let's see what's going on.
We're getting it ready. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I haven't,
Got the tire warmers on.
I haven't given a test, but I
Yeah.
will get here.
That's the one, right?
Leave him with the damn sticky on it, been moving. Don't be scared of the sticky.
Doing today.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good to see you.
You chilling? Yeah, man. Good to see you, brother.
I see the bullets are back.
Yes, sir. Had to bring them out, bring them out. I need some more sticky on mine, man.
I'll make you play recording.
I hope the guy just watching us race. I hope he ain't somebody that gonna tell us no.
Just trying to get the. I can't run on the stick. I'm trying to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the stick.
That's why I tried to do it over here.
There's gonna be a lot of people in the middle track.
Right. Try over there. Oh, they did stick over there too, then.
Yeah,
No.
that's what I said.
Yeah.
Not that.
Yeah, I did sticker.
Yeah.
If I were to bring my freaking...
Yeah, come on, let's race, nephew. Let's get it. All right, Mike, get set, go.
Bring my exes here, I'll bring
Go ahead, nephew. Come on, nephew. Let's get it, baby. Oh, nephew for the win. Oh, why I hit the damn thing. Good run, nephew. Thank you. Good hit, bro. Good hit. Good hit, right?
All right, listen, just like the last race, all I'm gonna say is watch the light. I'm not gonna say driver's ready.
All right.
Watch the light.